If you plan to invest or own a property, you should know him. Introducing to you guys, Sean Tan.
Investment divides into two parts in my world. One approach is if you have money. One approach is if you don't have money. If you don't have money, then we need to really calculate and maximize every bullet we have.
I think I'm going to rent until 45. My entire decision making of where I stay, right, is dictated by Burrito. To me, rental makes a lot of sense, and I would rent landed house.
还是稍微要装修一下嘛，是不是？就是要 minimum 的，还是要做到这样子，美美。
看你的 target audience 是谁了。如果是年轻人，为什么他要租一个小小间600方尺的 ，where I can afford something that is 3 bedroom 的？他是要 quality of space 的人啊。
Whenever you reach abundance, in your own definition. If you think that now I have a job that's stable, I want to go for my dream home, that's fine. But I would recommend if you're within your late 20s, your early 30s, even to 40s, this is supposedly to be the peak of your career, the peak of your money-making ability. Nowadays, properties within 1,000 units, that's like the new normal. And from a product perspective, all units are shrinking. So the amount of floor area is about the same, just that within this floor plate, I divide more units and I can sell at a cheaper price.
明明 KL 是一个市中心，就是我们的首都嘛，对 ，property 多到都排不完啊，老实讲，对啊，排不完，对不对？然后什么原因之下会有一个东西 spark 到你，trigger 到你想要PENANG 上来一下？
其实很多人不知道这一点，其实吉隆坡的 property 不是最贵的。
Does MRT ensures the success of a particular property? Not really, because a lot of people don't want to admit this, but there are a lot of examples in the market that is attached in a TOD format but has no success.
The rough calculation is around 40 to 45% only developers get to build on lands. But in order to make all this money, right, I need to lay out all this capital already. Or not many players can actually pull off a township development.
How confident are you that tomorrow will be better? If you look into your bank account of the housing loan, it will confirm be better.
Oh yeah.
10 years goes by, the property price, let's say, goes up a little bit, and the amount you owe the bank reduces. There will be this difference.
Right. It just gets bigger and bigger, the difference, right?
And that's something you call yours.
Damn.
Why job opportunities is important? Because it's very hard to relocate a HQ. You look into Bangsa South, right? You look into Mont Kiara areas, a lot of offices. It's very hard to you want to change company address, walao, the pain you go through. I understand the volatility of the rental, but it will also go up one. If you have money, then you can talk about safe interest. Like when a lot of interest rate go up, right? Wow, the rich people tell me, hey, I just put more money in the housing loan. Wow, I don't know, man. No money, but that's the problem.
So don't miss out this private jamming session. See you guys in Penang.